Body man. Below this is one gems. Below this is another one gems. And this one other white is just gemstones. And look this jasper mix. And look this. Oh, it was so beautiful. Honey jasper gemstones here on the my river sides. And what is it? Look at this big stones. Hot, I don't know that. Wow, this is a yellow gems mix pie more order. What is this? No. Oh, here is a few more stones. Oh. You know this. And what is the last pigment? Oh, it's just also not this quality. You know what is? Whoa. Just night straws of cemented monostable stones. It's stones. It is looking normal, not this. It is so beautiful. Look like just a in a big person. This bending types of stones. This you know this and now this is very. It's look like rare stones here. Show this agates, and this awesome berry, and this, and lastly one. Don't just mix. Oh, you look this stones. So some others, few minutes, few stones. Just see your mind as river sides this. Look this gemstones. Oh, okay, that's.